Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I want to quickly show you how you can buy USDT from the P2P section of Bybit with your local currency, maybe your Naira, your Ghana cedis, and the rest of the currencies that you have in your country. So I'll show you how you can actually purchase USDT. With the USDT, you'll be able to buy under other cryptocurrencies like Solana, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, any other coin you wish to buy. Once you get your USDT, you'll be able to buy it. So it's important that you know how to purchase USDT from the P2P section of Bybit. Okay, that is peer to peer. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do that in this video. If this is your first time on this channel, hit a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so that you learn more to avoid getting scammed, okay, online generally. So let's dive right into the video, guys. All right, guys, so welcome back. This is now the Bybit homepage interface. Once you open your Bybit, for those that have registered and they have account with Bybit, and you have verified your account with either your international passport or your voter's card or your BVN or your NIN, that is digital NIN. Any of these documents, you can use it to verify, do your KYC to verify your identity on Bybit. So I want to show you something now. If you come here, look at this at the top left corner where you see the image of someone that is here. That will be my profile. So I'm going to click on it now. If you see here, you see my name. This is my name. Then you see all these places, invite friends, identity verification. You see verified level 1. Then this is what I'm saying, identity verification verified. Look at it. Then you see here, the next thing you do here is look at security. You make sure you do all these things. If you've not done it, do your verification. Then you come to this security. You see all this place. Look at security. You see email. You bind your email address, bind your phone number, you configure your fund password. That is the password you'll be putting each time you want to make withdrawal from your account or each time you want to authorize a transaction. Okay, then there's anti-phishing code. That's not really important. You see that my security level is high. All right, so let's go back. So if you are verified and you have set up these things, all these things up, the next thing you want to buy USDT. You want to buy USDT from Bybit. There's a place there they call P2P trading. Look at it here. Just under this 14,147 naira, you see P2P trading. P2P trading. Look at it here. Okay, so I'll click on it. So when I click on it, it will bring me here. So when you come to this place, all these names you are seeing here, all these names, all these ones here, these are vendors, people that are willing to sell USDT to people. Okay, all these ones, they are vendors on Bybit. They are vendors, okay, that you can buy from. All these ones, they are vendors. Okay, but the first thing you do here, if it's your first time, is to come down here, down this right hand side, down where they wrote profile. Okay, hmm? Where they wrote profile, you can see profile. Okay, so I'll click on this profile. You see my name is showing there. Under it you are seeing, let me go back. Okay, so I'll go to my profile. All right, so look at this. What is happening? Okay, let's do this. P2P. I want to show you my profile. Under my name, you can see email, SMS, identity verification. You see, they are all ticked green, as you can see. As you can see, they are all ticked green. So the next thing you want to do is to come here. Look at this place. They wrote, they wrote, um, they wrote add payment method. That is the place I want to show you. Add payment method. Look at it. Add payment method. This place. This is the place you click on. Okay. So let's click on it now. Add payment method. Look at it. You see, this is my payment method that I added. But when you come here for the first time, you've not added any payment method yet. So what you would do is for you to click on add payment method. You now click on this. Click on this add payment method. Look at it here at the center. All right. So look at this. So you select the payment method up here. Look at here. This is bank transfer. The one that is suitable for your country, you look at it. So I'll click on that bank transfer. Then you see bank transfer is at the top. These are different payment methods. These are different payment methods. You choose the one that is suitable for your country. I'm making this video from Nigeria, and bank transfer is the most suitable for Nigerians. Okay, so you scroll through and check the payment method that is good for your country, and you choose it. And you add the necessary details. Okay, so guys, when you put it, you click on confirm. Okay, so you come back. Once you have added the payment method, that is, you put your, if it's bank transfer like my own, you are going to put your the name of the bank. You put your full name as it is on your profile. Then you put your account number. You put the name of the bank as well. Okay, then you save. Then you come back here. Now this is where you now start trading normally. This is where you now come to this place where you see vendors. Now if you want to buy USDT, that will now, the USDT you are going to use to actually purchase other coins on Bybit, to buy that USDT, this is where you come. After setting up that your payment method, just come here. You see now that this is sell. This is sell if you want to sell, and this side is buy. You see the way I'm toggling in between? Look at it here. You see buy, you see sell, see buy, see sell. So I'm going to, it's on buy now. If I want to buy, then I will now look at these vendors. How do you select a good vendor? How do you select a good vendor? You come to this place where they wrote filter by the right hand side here. Look at it, they wrote filter. Click on this filter. Click on this filter. Look, all these are filters. Show only verified advertisers. Then this one is show only eligible ads. These are the two filters I normally use. You see that? Then I'll click on this verified advertisers. Then I click on only eligible ads. Then I'll now select from price from lowest to highest. Then I click confirm. You see that? Then the next thing I want to do is to, select the amount of USDT or the amount in Naira that I want to buy. Let's assume I have only 20,000 to buy my USDT. I will now click here and I'll put 20,000 here, then click confirm. Then those that will be able to sell, those vendors that can sell 20,000 Naira worth of USDT will now appear. You see now, this first one, Annie, flash pay. This one from 20,000 upwards. That is what he sells. Look at the number of orders. You consider the number of orders. He has completed 7,935 orders. That is 7,000 plus almost 8,000 transactions. He has done almost 8,000 transactions. Then the completion rate, look at this, 98%, a very good rate. Then look at the prices, 1,609 naira per USDT. For one USDT is willing to sell to you for 1,609 naira 95 kobo. You see that? Then this next person, look now, this one is 1,610 naira. Just like that, you see now is increasing because I set it at from lowest to highest, so that is how it will be increasing like that. Then if you are from watching from another country, look at this place that they wrote naira here at the top here. You can change it to your currency. Let me see, Ghana cedis. Look at this. I'll put cedis now. You see now, so you see that. You see, there's a vendor here that I can buy from too. So this is mobile MTN mobile money. You see that. So whichever country you are watching from, you can select your currency, okay, and put there. Okay, so it's same procedure either ways. So that is basically it, guys, for buying. So if I want to, after doing this filter, I select verified, I select eligible, select from highest to lowest, then I click confirm. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to what? Select the person I want to buy from. Let's assume it's 20,000 naira worth of USDT that I want to buy. Let me change this back. All right. So if I want to buy from Annie, look at this. I'll say buy. You see this? Then I'll put the amount in naira. Put the amount in naira. So I'm going to be, for 20,000 naira that I'm willing to pay, I will be receiving 12.4228 USDT. That's 12 USDT, okay? Then these are the conditions, the advertiser, the vendor's terms. So I will read all these things. You say, look at the thing, say, I will not release coin on without your number and payment receipt. You see that? Say, I do not accept third-party payment. There won't be any refund. Even an appeal won't help you. Look at this. Drop receipt and phone number immediately after payment. Glitch funds or fraudulent acquired funds. Chargebacks are highly prohibited. You see the conditions. You must drop payment receipt and mobile number before I release asset. You see that. You say no kobo, round up your payment. So you'll not be doing 20,000 naira 56 kobo. You won't do that with this advertiser. Then you look at this now. I say don't pay me with any business or corporate account. You see that. These are conditions. Okay, look at this. All these ones now, all these ones are not they are not required. You can't use this means to pay this particular advertiser. Average release time is 2 minutes. So guys, this is basically it for buying. If I click on buy now, it will now show me the vendor's account numbers. Then I will now copy the account number. I'll go to my mobile banking app and send the money. Then I'll minimize, then come back to this place and chat up this vendor. I'll chat the vendor up. Then I will now send the receipt of the payment. I'll now send the receipt of the payment that I made to the vendor, and the vendor will now release the 12 USDT to me. So that is basically it, guys. That is all for how to buy. I hope this video helps someone. At this point, hit this video with a like. If you have any question, go to the comment section and ask. Then share this video for others to learn. And also, the next thing you do is to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video on how to sell your USDT. Bye bye.